Hello, friends! Today we have 4 magical mystery boxes. Can you guess what's hiding inside them? Hello, friends! The red mystery box. Count with me. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, it's a friendly lion. Roar! Lions are strong and brave animals. Roar like a lion? Roar! Great job. Let's find another surprise. Now it's time for the blue mystery box. What do you think is inside?
Amazing! It's the color blue. Can you find something blue around you?
Look, a blue ball, a blue bird, and a blue car. Blue is such a beautiful color.
Ready for the green mystery box? Let's open it together. I can't wait. Wow, it's magical.
Guys, it's the number 7. Let's count to 7 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Surprise! We have 1 mystery box left. The golden mystery box. What could it be? Wow! Something delicious is coming out.
It's a yummy apple. Apples are healthy and tasty.
Help us grow strong and healthy. Apples, bananas, and oranges are all great choices. Let's remember what we found. A lion, the color blue, the number 7, and a delicious apple. Let's remember.
A bonus rainbow mystery box has appeared. What could be inside? It's a rainbow surprise! Hooray! We found all the mystery treasures today.
It's a great mystery box challenge. Which surprise was your favorite? See you in the next adventure. Bye, friends!